Imagine revolutionizing your kitchen with a single, sleek stainless steel appliance that air fries, grills, bakes, roasts, and more. This Nuwave Bravo XL Pro air fryer toaster, oven with grill combo, isn't just a kitchen gadget. It's a culinary game changer for home cooks, busy families, and food enthusiasts. With its 2025 ultra-fast convection system, 142 easy-cook presets, and PFAS-free accessories, it delivers 35% crispier results and 2x more even cooking than competitors. Why the Nuwave Bravo XL Pro stands out. Kitchens are the heart of the home, but managing multiple appliances or cleaning up after cooking can be a hassle. The Nuwave Bravo XL Pro air fryer toaster oven tackles these challenges with its 30-quart compact size, intuitive controls, and easy-to-clean design. Whether you're preparing a quick weeknight meal, hosting a gathering, or experimenting with recipes, this appliance delivers professional-grade results effortlessly. Its heavy-duty stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the smart digital thermometer guarantees perfectly cooked meals. Here's why it's a cut above the rest. Key features that shine. 142 easy cook presets for effortless meals. With 12 versatile cooking functions, air fry, toast, grill, bake, roast, slow cook, dehydrate, and more, and 100 one-touch presets, the Bravo XL Pro simplifies meal prep. From crispy fries to juicy roasts, it handles it all. Plus, 30 memory slots let you save custom recipes for one-touch convenience. Ultra-fast convection system. The 2025 upgraded convection technology, paired with an 1800-watt high-power system, cooks food 3 times faster than traditional ovens and delivers 35% crispier results. The redesigned fan and housing ensure 100% faster air circulation, creating golden brown perfection with 95% less oil compared to deep frying. 2x more. Even cooking. Unlike other air fryers, the Bravo XL Pro uses top and bottom heating elements with adjustable ratios 0 to 100% and fan speeds to eliminate hotspots. This ensures uniform cooking across multiple racks, perfect for large meals like 2 13-inch pizzas or a 10-pound chicken. True char-grilled flavor. The reversible grill Dutch griddle plate with ceramic non-stick coating delivers authentic char-grilled flavor and diamond-shaped grill marks. Dual drip spouts drain excess oil, ensuring healthier, tastier results, ideal for indoor or outdoor grilling. Customizable cooking. With a 50 to 500 degree Fahrenheit temperature range and a 100-hour timer, you can fine-tune every dish. For example, set 70% bottom heat and 30% top heat for a perfect pizza with a crispy crust and melted cheese. The intuitive cool white display, panel lock, mute, unmute, and auto shut-off enhance usability. Smart digital thermometer. The upgraded thermometer uses advanced thermal sensor technology to monitor internal food temperatures, automatically stopping the cooking cycle at your desired doneness for consistent, restaurant-quality results. 30 QT capacity for crowds. Despite its compact footprint, 20 inches by 12.88 inches by 11.13 inches, this oven fits a 6-pound roast, 2-pound French fries, or enough food for a gathering, making it ideal for families, RVs, or small kitchens. PFAS-free and easy to clean. All accessories, including the heavy-duty cooking rack, mesh rack, and griddle plate, are PFAS-free, safe for families and pets. The pull-out crumb tray and dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup effortless. Heavy-duty, odor-free design. Crafted from food-grade stainless steel, the Bravo XL Pro resists corrosion and eliminates plastic odors common in other air fryers, ensuring a healthier cooking experience. Benefits that transform. Cooking, time-saving versatility. With 142 presets and 12 cooking functions, it replaces multiple appliances, saving time and counter space. From air frying wings to dehydrating fruit, it does it all. Healthier meals. The ultra-fast convection system reduces oil use by 95%, delivering crispy, guilt-free dishes without sacrificing flavor. Perfect for all skill levels. The intuitive controls, smart thermometer, and recipe book make it easy for beginners and pros to achieve consistent results. Energy efficient. The 2x more even cooking and 3x faster speeds save energy compared to traditional ovens, reducing utility costs. Family-friendly safety. PFAS-free accessories and food-grade stainless steel ensure a healthier, odor-free cooking environment. Who's it for? The Nuwave Bravo XL Pro is ideal for busy families. Feed a crowd with its 30-quart capacity and quick cooking times. Health-conscious cooks. Enjoy crispy meals with 95% less oil. Small space dwellers. Its compact size fits RVs, apartments, or tiny kitchens. Food enthusiasts. Experiment with 142 presets and custom settings for culinary creativity. Grill lovers. The griddle plate brings authentic char-grilled flavor indoors or out. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.